Today I'm going to be reviewing WHonor's 2-pack Faraday pouches for your key fob. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. You get 2 in this. This one is blue stitching. This one has the red. It's what they call carbon fiber leather. This is what it looks like open, and inside's this chain here. So you put your key fob in there, and then when you're done using it, you put the key fob into here, fold it over, and there you go. It has a little clip on the back if you want to put it on a bag or anything. It's going to protect it, any signal getting out, Bluetooth, RFID, GPS. You have somebody wants to clone your key fob and get into your car, or, you know, you can put other things in here. You could easily fit credit cards if you want to protect those also, or a global entry card or anything like that. So lots of uses for this. It gets 4.4 stars. It has 146 reviews, and last month 500 plus of this 2-pack were sold. So people are liking them. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.